Morning guys, welcome to my channel. Right, this one is going to be a Audi Q7 3 litre TDI bug engine. I'm going to be servicing it, so these are the things you're going to need. You're going to need oil. It holds 8.2 litres, so 2 of them. Fuel filter, the oil filter, and obviously the old air filter. First things first, let's remove the engine tray. Right, there's your your oil filter, there's your air filter. So, undo the oil filter, you need a 32 socket. Just write that on there, and that will undo that. You're going to need a T30 to undo that for your fuel filter. You just unclip these, unclip that, and that pulls off. Right, come all the way under here, and if you look right there, that is your sump plug, which will be, I'll tell you in a second. Right, the sump plug is a 6mm Allen key. Also, we've got a new sump washer. I always change them. Obviously, you can reuse the other ones, but it's just better just to have another one for the sake of 5 or 6 quid. Right, that's all just been drained out. So what we do is we put a new sump washer on. So 8 litres, I freaking filled up a whole entire bucket, and I nearly crapped my pants because I couldn't put the washer back on and the nut back on, and it's right up to the rim, so I was burning my fingers and everything because obviously I had the engine running. It's always good to have the engine running, so obviously it warms up the oil so it falls out nice and easy. So we put a new washer on this now, and then the new sump plug, and then we'll undo the filter and then put that on. Right, so let's get all the messy stuff done first. Let's crack that off. Come off. Clean it up. Should hopefully come with a new rubber gasket, which it has. Do is just pull this one off. Shoot this with a screwdriver. Just pry this bit off. Shove this back on, just like that. Okay. What I normally do is I clean this out as well. rag. Shove this in. And this gets torqued up to 35, which I'll get my torque wrench later. I'll just do it there. Yeah, I'll get that later, it's in the van. I'll just nip it up for now and do that later. Right, what we'll do now is we'll just do, as it's all the messy bits and pieces, we shall do the fuel filter. See, you can do all this yourself and save you some money. That's why I'm doing this video, to save you guys some money. There should be like a little handle. There you go. If you put on this, it should come out, but it doesn't want to come out. Alright, that's it. That's out. These are new rubber seals to replace. There's them ones. So we'll take these ones out and put these ones in. Push them down. Make sure they're all nicely seated. Let's take this out. You get a nice new one. Go around here. Once you get it on there, it'll be fine. There you go. Get on there. Don't you dare come off again. There you go, so it sits nicely. There you go. Sits in there nicely. That's all done, I think. And then obviously, once that's all tightened back down, that should hopefully close up. Gives it a nice tight seal. what I'll do is I'll just evenly just wipe around it. Now let's crack on with the air filter. And this one's really easy. You just got that tab there, lift this up, pull this air filter straight out. You don't even need to do anything, you just pull this one out. There you go, there's the one air filter. It's a little bit dirty. I think I did that actually when I the alternator, but obviously look at the difference. So there's no right or wrong way to put this in. Just literally shove this in there. Give this a bit of a jiggle so that's done. Right, so now it's just a matter of topping this up. Normally I use a funnel, but I don't need a funnel in this car. Unless you're a real invalid and split everywhere. Right, this takes obviously 8 litres, so there's 5 in there. You've got 4 in this, so if I just do a few. And then check it. Okay. Spot on. Drive around for a bit, and then I'll check the oil again, and then top it up what I need. Yeah, there's that. That's literally perfect. Alright. There you go, guys. That is how you service a Q7 bug engine, 3 litre TDI V6. Don't know what other engines. I think they also do it in a VW Touran, isn't it? I think. Right, let's get this engine tray. Shove it on there. It should be like little clips, like that on. And there you go, guys. All done. Thanks for watching. See you soon.